Are you keeping the day God blessed or the day man chose? When it comes to worship, one day is God's, the other is man's. Every Christian claims to love and follow God. Every believer wants to do what is right in God's eyes, but there's one question that most never ask. Am I worshipping on the day God blessed or the day man chose? This is not a minor issue. It's not just about a day. It's about obedience, loyalty, and worship. God has blessed one specific day. He has commanded it, sanctified it, set it apart. But most Christians worship on another day, a day He never blessed, never commanded, and never called holy. So, are you keeping God's day or man's substitute? Step 1. The day God blessed and set apart. Let's begin at the very start, creation itself. Genesis 2:2-3. And on the seventh day God ended His work. And God blessed the seventh day and sanctified it. The seventh day, not the first, was the day God rested on blessed, sanctified, set apart as holy. This was before sin, before Israel, before the 10 Commandments. The Sabbath is not Jewish. It is God's day, from the beginning of time. Then at Mount Sinai, Exodus 20:8-11. Remember the Sabbath day, to keep it holy. The seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. This commandment wasn't a suggestion. It was written by God's own finger in stone. Step 2. The day most Christians choose. Sunday. Now let's be honest. Most Christians today worship on Sunday, the first day of the week. But here's the challenge. Where in the Bible did God bless the first day? Where does Jesus command Sunday worship? Where do the apostles change the Sabbath? The answer, nowhere. The first day was never blessed, never sanctified, never commanded. So why do most Christians keep it? Step 3. The day man chose. A historical cover-up. The change didn't come from Jesus. It came hundreds of years later through political power and church tradition. 1. Constantine's Sunday Law, 321 AD. On the venerable day of the sun, let the magistrates and people residing in cities rest. This law wasn't based on scripture. It honored the sun god. 2. Council of Laodicea, 364 AD. Christians must not Judaize by resting on the Sabbath, but must work on that day, rather honoring the Lord's day. The Church made Sunday the official day of worship by its own authority. 3. Catholic Church's open admission. Sunday is our mark of authority. The Church is above the Bible, and this transference of Sabbath observance is proof of that fact. Catholic Record, 1923. Let that sink in. Man changed the day. Man enforced it, and most Christians unknowingly follow it. Step 4. What day will you keep? God said, Isaiah 58:13, If thou turn away thy foot from the Sabbath, from doing thy pleasure on my holy day. Ezekiel 20:20. And hallow my Sabbaths, and they shall be a sign between me and you. The Sabbath is God's holy day, His sign, His seal. Jesus said, John 14:15, If you love me, keep my commandments. If we love Him, we will obey Him, even if it costs us friends, comfort, or tradition. Step 5. Challenge to skeptics and believers. If Sunday is the day of worship God now commands, then show us. One verse where God blessed the first day of the week. One verse where Jesus changed the Sabbath. One verse where the apostles taught Sunday observance, you won't find it, because the truth is clear. The seventh day was blessed by God. The first day was chosen by man. Now that you know, the choice is yours. Follow the Creator or follow tradition.